How to install WordPress SSL plugin tutorial 2020. So guys, before I begin, so my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial plugin reviews and how to create an online business, so please consider subscribing. And also, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So guys, let's begin. So how to install WordPress SSL plugin in 2020. So guys, I'm going to make this video very short. All you have to do is click on plugins, add new, and type real simple SSL. Just to make this easy as well, if you're using this web hosting, which is Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress, they give you a free domain, free SSL, and one-click WordPress installation, so you don't even have to worry about it. So let's say currently I'm not even installing anything. This is my demo website and it's SSL secured without even doing nothing. So anyways, right now I'm just going to tell you how you could install an SSL on your WordPress website. So just type SSL, so SSL. So install this plugin, real simple SSL. Click on install. It has more than 3 million downloads. Just click on activate, and then once that's done, go ahead and activate SSL. And voila guys, congratulations, your SSL is activated. You don't have to worry about all of these things. You could enable them later. And this is how you install an SSL on WordPress website. And also the bonus I told you guys, so I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch for absolute beginners. The link is down below. Go and check out. It's an amazing course. A lot of people are giving review and it has great results, so go and check out yourself. And I would see you in the next video. And if you find this really valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's over here. And thank you so much, and I would see you in the next video. Thank you.